So you know when you're at a summer barbecue and everything is sitting out on a table in the sun, you don't want to have mayo in your salad, right?
Yeah.
So I recreated a classic potato salad using cashews as the base instead of mayo.
That's amazing.
And it tastes just like that classic potato salad.
Or even better.
Even better. And not everyone likes mayo too, so this is a really great compromise.
This recipe features Simple Truth organic yellow mustard and Vlasic kosher dill pickles.
All the ingredients are listed down below, and you can find each one at your local Kroger family store. Hey guys, it's Tessa from HandleTheHeat.com.
And Alex.
And Sonia from A Couple Cooks. Welcome to our summer barbecue series.
We are so excited to be teaming up together and with Kroger, your one-stop shop for summer entertaining.
And we are whipping up healthy, real food recipes from A Couple Cooks.
With delicious baked treats from Handle the Heat. So let's go ahead and dive on in.
So Tessa, are you a potato salad fan?
No, I'm not.
Well, I'm hoping to convince you in this recipe that potato salad can be delicious, so hold on, keep an open mind.
I will, I promise I will.
Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is soak our cashews. We're making a cashew mayo, so it's using soaked cashews. We blend them with some different spices and flavors to create something that tastes like mayo, but it's fully plant-based.
Wow, that's amazing.
So I did a little bit of research about potato salads and the classic potato salad, and what I found was that Yukon Gold potatoes are the perfect potato to use in a potato salad.
Why is that?
Because they stay together when they're in the potato salad, so when they're boiled, they don't fall apart. And then also they soak up the dressing just enough to really take on that flavor. Before boiling, I'm gonna just quarter these, leave the skins on, and then when they're boiled, I will peel them off afterwards. It makes it a lot easier to peel.
Okay, that's a good tip. And I feel like Yukon Gold potatoes are like more buttery too.
That's right. They have a really great texture, and it goes very well with the rest of the components. All right, so I've quartered these and I'll just throw them into a pot of water. We're gonna start with the water cold. So some people like to boil the water first, put in the potatoes. We're gonna start with cold water. It makes it easy so you don't splash yourself with boiling water, and it also makes for the most evenly boiled potatoes.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Okay, our potatoes are boiled, they're peeled and chopped into smaller bite-sized pieces. Now is when the magic hits.
Ooh.
So I have this white wine vinegar, and we're just gonna pour it over the potatoes while they're still warm. So they're gonna soak in that very tangy flavor. So if you wanna go ahead and do that, this is one of my tricks to the classic potato salad. And I'm going to add a half teaspoon of kosher salt here and just mix this up, and then these will sit while we're preparing the cashew mayo. Have you made cashew mayo before, Tessa?
No, never. I'm super excited to learn.
So cashews are kind of this magic ingredient. They will blend into just about anything, and they come out very creamy. So I've taken these cashews that we soaked while we were making the recipe. It should be about 30 to 45 minutes for these cashews, but you can also soak them in advance.
Okay.
So I'll put those into my blender. So if you can use a high-speed blender, that's perfect. If you use a normal blender, you can just stop and start a little bit more, scrape down the bowl. To those cashews, we're gonna add the flavoring. So Tessa, if you wanna help me, we have white wine vinegar, maple syrup, olive oil, kosher salt, water, garlic powder, and some yellow mustard. Now we're gonna blend for about 2 minutes until it's smooth and creamy. Okay, so now
I'm so excited
take
to
a
see.
look. We've got
Oh
some
my God, it's
creamy
really
mayo.
thick and creamy.
Yeah, so I'll pour this out and you can taste some of it.
So can this be made ahead of time?
It can actually, so you can make it up to probably a week in advance and just refrigerate it. Okay, do you want to give it a taste?
Yes. Oh my God. If you had told me this was made out of cashews, I would not have believed it.
It's the magic of
It's
cashews.
really good.
Yeah, so
Ooh.
good. Okay, Alex is back. He smelled the food. And we're gonna assemble our potato salad. So we have this cashew mayo. Do you wanna throw that in, Tessa? And then I have diced up some celery And some pickles. Alex, do you want to put those in since you love
Got 'em.
pickles so much?
Teamwork here.
And then green onion, 5 of those, which is quite a bit. It brings out some great oniony flavor, and then a little bit more of that yellow mustard. I found it needed just a tad more to make that perfect potato salad flavor. Oh, and some kosher salt. Thank you, Alex. Don't want to forget that. So I am going to just mix that all up.
Looking like it's the real deal here.
Yeah.
I bet you no one would guess this was vegan.
And it's all really great whole food ingredients made in your home kitchen, so it tastes really light, fresh. Speaking of tasting, let's taste it. Okay, so I know that Tessa is not a fan of potato salad. Let's see what she thinks.
Actually really good.
You heard it here.
She's not just saying it.
I'm really not. I love it.
Yay!
It's really good.
And make sure to check out the rest of our summer barbecue series. Tessa has some awesome baked goods. We have a few more savory items, so check out that playlist.
I'm gonna have some more.
Yeah, me too.